I knew this day was coming, but with Apple's latest announcement, it makes me more uncomfortable than ever what AI's role will be in my personal and private security. I'm going to update you quickly by just watching their recent keynote and to pay attention to specifically what it says.
Passwords app to upgrade your security using Apple Intelligence. Passwords already alerts you about weak and compromised passwords, but going to each site and changing them can take time. Now, you can automatically update eligible accounts to strong passwords with just a tap. Behind the scenes, Passwords uses Apple Intelligence and Safari to agentically take action on your behalf.
So essentially what this means is the latest version of iOS will be able to go in directly on your phone and first just identify if you have weak or compromised passwords. These are passwords that people tend to reuse across lots of different accounts, or potentially compromised passwords, passwords that were specifically seen in data leaks in the dark web. However, there's a step above that. Apple now will be able to have the AI go in and change your passwords on certain accounts. So essentially, it'll say, hey, John, you have this weak password on your Bank of America account. Let me go in as an AI agentic agent and go in and change that password for you to a strong password. Now, a lot of people do run into this issue where they reuse passwords or they have compromised passwords. However, this is a step further where they're letting AI go in and change that password on their behalf. It's not John who's changing the password. It's AI that's going in and changing the password for John. I'm curious, in the comments down below, let me know, are you comfortable with this? Do you see the pros and the cons, and do you think the cons outweigh the pros, or do you think the pros outweigh the cons? And if you're not necessarily sure what I'm talking about, let me show you exactly where to find all of those compromised passwords. So on here, let me hop out of here and then just swipe down on your iPhone and type in passwords, and then tap on the Passwords app. You'll be able to see after I unlock this with my face, there's a security option here. Tap on that and it will basically show me compromised passwords and reuse passwords. If I tap on any of these compromised passwords, it says this password should be changed immediately. The password on this website could potentially be in a leak, and you can tap on change password. Now what this does is it opens up the website specifically allowing you to change that password. But in the latest version, essentially what would happen is that an AI agent would go in there and change it on your behalf and then just update it in the Passwords app without necessarily you having priority or control over what that password is changed to. And then to make sure, what are the security risks here? Is all of this information being stored just on your iPhone? Or is this basically being transferred over through Apple servers? And there's a lot of security questions that I don't necessarily have the answers to yet, and I haven't been able to find specific information associated with those. As it does roll out, I'm sure Apple will release more information about how it technically works to give us a good idea of, is this something that we want to sign up for? Is this something that we feel comfortable with? But the biggest thing with all of this is where AI is headed, that they will no longer just respond to us, but they'll start to act in our behalf. And we need to draw a line somewhere. Do we want it to do certain things for us, or do we not want it to do certain things for us? And it's all a trade-off, right? Convenience, protection of privacy, versus letting other things, AI in this case, control what happens in our life. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below saying that you like this type of content. It helps let the YouTube algorithm know to share it with more people like you. And talking about sharing, I would greatly appreciate it if you would share this with a friend or a neighbor that you would think would enjoy or find this information useful. Thanks, guys.